Good morning and welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and the incredible creatures that inhabit it. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to share with you a heartwarming story from Brazil, where a dedicated team is working tirelessly to rescue and rehabilitate animals that have been torn from their homes in the Atlantic forest. Deep within the lush canopy of the Atlantic forest, a vibrant ecosystem teems with life. The sounds of exotic birds, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle hum of insects create a symphony of sounds that are music to the ears. But amidst this beauty, a sinister threat lurks. Wildlife traffickers, driven by greed and a disregard for life, have been pillaging the forest, capturing animals to sell as pets or for their body parts. It's a tragic reality that has left countless animals orphaned, injured, and vulnerable. But there is hope. In Rio de Janeiro, a remarkable rescue center, the Vida Livre Institute, has been giving these animals a second chance at life. Founded by a team of passionate conservationists, the institute has been rehabilitating thousands of wild animals, from parrots with broken beaks to newborn armadillos and even pumas. I'm fascinated by the stories of resilience and determination that emerge from this incredible organization. Take, for instance, the tale of two capuchin monkeys who were brought to the center after being sedated by poachers. The team, at Vida Livre, worked tirelessly to nurse them back to health, providing them with food, water, and care. And then, there's the story of a toucan that lost half of its upper beak during an attempted capture. The Institute's innovative approach led them to create a prosthetic beak using a 3D printer, allowing the bird to eat and resume its normal functions. As I delve deeper into this story, I am struck by the sheer scale of the problem. Wildlife traffickers are using social media to sell animals as pets, often targeting birds with beautiful songs. The consequences are devastating, not just for the individual animals, but also for the ecosystem as a whole. The loss of these creatures can have a ripple effect, weakening the wild population and diminishing the species' reproductive capacity. But there is a glimmer of hope. The Vida Livre Institute is not only rehabilitating animals, but also educating the public about the harm caused by buying birds or monkeys as pets. By sharing their stories and highlighting the importance of conservation, they're inspiring people to take action and make a difference. As we continue on our nature walk, I'm reminded that even in the face of adversity, there are still countless reasons to be optimistic about the future of our planet. The dedication and compassion of organizations like the Vida Livre Institute are a testament to the power of human kindness and our capacity to make a positive impact on the world around us. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David, and we're glad you're joining us again as we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today we've been talking about some amazing stories from the world of science and conservation. Now, let's dive into our next story, which takes us to the fascinating realm of amphibians. You might have heard that climate change is having a profound impact on many species around the globe. But did you know that one group in particular is facing an existential crisis? I'm talking about frogs and other amphibians, which are essential components of their ecosystems. These incredible creatures play a vital role in regulating insect populations, cycling nutrients, and sustaining food webs. A recent study published in Nature Climate Change has revealed some alarming findings. Researchers found that nearly 40% of amphibian species are threatened with extinction due to the increasing dryness of their environments. That's right. As our planet warms up, many parts of the world are becoming drier, and this is having a devastating impact on these sensitive creatures. The study focused on the distribution of over 5,000 species of anurans, which include frogs and toads, and found that several regions with high concentrations of these animals will be severely affected by aridification in the coming decades. The Amazon and Atlantic forests in South America are particularly vulnerable, with many endemic species that can't be found anywhere else on Earth. One of the most concerning aspects of this study is that it's not just the average temperature that matters. It's also the variations in temperature and humidity, as well as the frequency of extreme events like droughts. This makes it difficult to predict which species will survive and which won't. The researchers are calling for urgent action to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats. By restoring forests and providing environmental protection, we can give amphibians a fighting chance to adapt to our rapidly changing world. As we consider the plight of these amazing animals, let's remember that they're not just fascinating creatures, they're also crucial components of their ecosystems. The loss of amphibian species could have far-reaching consequences for the health of our planet. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. We've had an incredible journey so far, exploring the wonders of our planet and delving into the latest stories from the world of conservation and sustainability. As we wrap up today's show, I want to take you to the Udzungwa Mountains in Tanzania, a region often referred to as Africa's Galapagos due to its unique biodiversity. Imagine yourself standing amidst a lush rainforest, teeming with life, where scientists have discovered new species of plants and animals that were previously unknown to us. This is the world of the Udzungwa Mountains, where conservation efforts are underway to protect this precious ecosystem. The story we're about to dive into highlights the challenges and triumphs of preserving our natural heritage. In the heart of these mountains, a team of dedicated conservationists has been working tirelessly to combat deforestation and habitat degradation. Led by Trevor Jones from the Southern Tanzania Elephant Program, their mission is not only to safeguard the future of iconic species like the kipunji monkey, but also to empower local communities through sustainable livelihood initiatives. One of the innovative approaches they've adopted is the introduction of fuel-efficient cooking stoves. These stoves, made from mud bricks coated with a clay and sawdust mixture, significantly reduce firewood consumption, thereby decreasing the pressure on the forest. It's a simple yet effective solution that has already begun to make a difference in the lives of local villagers. Moreover, the project aims to promote alternative energy solutions, such as biomass briquettes made from organic waste, providing a cheaper and more sustainable substitute for charcoal. This not only helps in reducing deforestation, but also offers economic benefits to the community. The Udzungwa Mountains are indeed a treasure trove of biodiversity, with discoveries of new species still happening today. The story of the kipunji monkey, first sighted by Trevor Jones in 2004, is a testament to the region's untouched wonders. This extraordinary find marks the first new monkey genus to be described in Africa in over 125 years, underscoring the importance of continued exploration and conservation efforts. As we conclude today's Nature Walk, I hope this story from Tanzania has inspired you to appreciate the intricate balance of our ecosystem and the role each of us plays in preserving it. Remember, every small action counts, whether it's adopting sustainable practices in your daily life or supporting organizations dedicated to protecting our natural world. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.